Hello guys, Furfy's Loco here, and today I got a package from eBay. Now, I have another package coming in mail. This is just one of the two items. So, unfortunately the kickstand on my iPad broke, so I'm kind of using my legs to hold it up. My legs and arm. Like, the top of the case is of the iPad's like on my elbow. Like in between my elbow. So, yeah, now, this is one of the two items I got on eBay. The other one will probably be here in a couple days. So, the item listing. Oh. And it's, first one in the item, it's, oh, there, it's a Wooden Railway Gordon. Yeah, and he doesn't have a tender. Someone did that on purpose. Well, I mean, it was the cheapest option, and I could always take the tender from my other Wooden Railway Gordon that I own. Yeah, I have an old style one that's not the best. I have an old style Gordon I could just take the tender from and stick onto it, put behind it. Ignore that. That's my dad's just talking on the phone. So I will be replacing the faceplate on Gordon because one, the face is not in the best shape, and two, the face does not look like Gordon at all. I have an extra old style Gordon face that I removed a long time ago, which I'll be sticking on it. And I will be giving him the same modifications I do with all my engines, which is a black running board, black inside the cab, and a buffer beam on the front. And I'll probably paint all the extra boiler stripes, like fill them in. Because this here just looks a little bit lazy, in all honesty. Oh, yeah, and yeah, we still have a core of the year left, and yet sorry, I'm good until a bit of a rant here, is that we're 3/4 done with the year. Oh, sorry, that was my Apple Watch. We're 3/4 of the year done, yet more bad things happened. First, we lost the actor that played Black Panther. I think his name was Chadwick, but I can't remember his name off the top of my head. I can't remember his last name. Sorry about that. Please fill me in on the comments what his last name is. Well, if you do that, it'll be extremely helpful. And some people thought it was a good idea to graffiti Elvis Presley's grave memorial with the whole Black Lives Matter thing, which, I mean, it's nice that people are spreading awareness of Black Lives Matter, but that's taking it to a whole new level, even for my standards. So, in case you're wondering what the other Wooden Railway item is that's coming in the mail, well, the item, here's a couple hints. He's green and he has a tender. And he was replaced with a banana. So, if you could guess who he is in the comments, I'll add a little like comment love thing feature on there. I'm not sure what it's called. So, yep. So, also the engine in question is also coming without tender. Because, well, it was the cheapest option. Just so you know when he gets here. So yeah, this is Furphy's Loco, signing off.